Hey everyone, Chris Mattson here. The purpose of this video is to introduce what's going to happen in Chapter 2 of my book called Introduction to Mechanical Design with CAD. There are 21 activities embedded in the chapter. Those 21 activities are designed to familiarize you with the CAD system, with the things that are available to you. Those activities are listed and described in a particular way that will help you learn shortcuts, mouse clicks, certain button structures, and other things like that in the CAD system. We're going to create, as part of the activities, a gasket for the turbocharger that is in the downloadable files. The goal is not to make the gasket. That is what will happen. The goal is to go through the activities and learn about what the CAD system has to offer you. So you're going to find that we've got 21 videos that accompany this one. Just go ahead and go right to the activity that you're struggling with. Get a little bit of help, see me do it, get a little bit of insight on that. Or skip those videos completely and just read the Chapter 2 in the guidebook and follow through the words. That's what we got going on here. Okay, that's it. I wish you the best as you work through those activities. One of the first things you're going to want to do is download the turbocharger for the Luxo engine. It can be found on the exercises page of the chapter, at the very end of the chapter, in the downloadable files. It's the only file there that you need to open up. This is going to get you started in the activities. Okay, wish you the best on that.